What's up, guys? We got a 2016 Audi A3 in here today, and what we did for him was a custom vibrant system. We cut it off up here where the catback system starts. We put a custom ultra quiet vibrant resonator in the middle, and then we pretty much ran 2.5 custom piping the whole way out, and then we put a nice big tip for him in there, something much nicer than a stock tip. Alright, it should sound pretty clean, shouldn't be too aggressive. He still has like secondary cats, he still has his primary cats. So again, this is literally just a custom catback with one vibrant ultra quiet resonator, and then a straight pipe all the way out the back to the tip. Alright, let's bring it down and fire it up.